One of the glass lenses by my 482, so I'm going to pick it up with this brush here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put it on the crevice tool attachment because it's not doing well on the regular attachments at all. It's not doing. That. Look at that. Out of the Dyson. Done. You check that any glass didn't go on there. Nah, it didn't. Good, at least it didn't go down underneath it. But that massive piece of glass is still picking up, so I'm going to get that up right now. The crevice tool should do it. If not, I'm going to put the floor head back on once I'm cleaning the desk. Yep, I got it. Okay, there we go. That looks like my work here is done. Actually, no, it's not. Wait, that's one little bit to get. One little bit. Right, let's get this bit up. There we go. And a little bit there as well. Oh wait, there's still quite a bit actually. I'll take that back. There's still quite a bit. My God, that was scary.